Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Want to start an online business but not sure where to begin? In this video, we will cover what Shopify is, how it works, and how you can launch your very own online store in just a few clicks. First of all, what is Shopify? Shopify is an all-in-one e-commerce platform that lets you build your own online store, no coding, no tech skills needed. You can use it to sell physical products, digital downloads, or even services. It handles everything for website design, product pages, payments, inventory, and even shipping integrations, all in one dashboard. Whether you are selling handmade crafts, drop-shipped items from AliExpress, or your own digital courses, Shopify has you covered. Let's break down how it works step by step. Sign up. Go to shopify.com, then click on Start a free trial. You can create an account from here, enter your email address, then click Start free trial. Now you can set up where you'd like to sell, like an store, social media, in person, etc. For this tutorial, I will skip customer setup. Now enter your password, then click login. Then skip, I'll decide later. Now, once you are in, just go to online store from your left sidebar and pick a store design from the theme store. There are both free and paid options. Options like Dawn theme, Spotlight, Craft, Sense, Refresh, etc. Now add products. Go to the product section from the left side bar and add your product details, like click add product, add your product details like name, description, photos, category, price, etc. Now set up payments. Go to settings tab. Now go to payments tab. Enable Shopify payments or connect PayPal, Stripe, or other gateways to accept credit cards. Now customize page and navigation. Go to Shopify admin dashboard. Click on online store, then click pages. You can add new pages like contact us, about us, or FAQs. Customize your menu so visitors can easily find products. Now set up shipping and taxes. Shopify lets you configure shipping zones. Go to settings and click shipping and taxes or shipping and delivery. Shopify lets you configure shipping zones, rates, and taxes based on where you sell. Here's why so many entrepreneurs love Shopify. Ease of use. The drag and drop editor makes store building super simple. App Store. Shopify App Store has thousands of add-ons for marketing, upselling, reviews, SEO, and more. Mobile friendly, all themes are responsive. So your site looks great on phones and tablet. Then 24 hours and 7 days support. You get round the clock customer support via chat, email, or phone. Let's say you're selling custom t-shirts. You upload your designs, add product details, choose a shipping provider, and promote your site on social media. Every time a customer buys, you get notified. Shopify tracks the order, manage, manages inventory, and processes payment all automatically. Pros and cons of Shopify. Before you decide if Shopify is right for you, let's quickly go over the pros and cons. Pros of Shopify: easy to use, drag and drop builder makes store setup simple, even for beginners. All in one platform, hosting, design, inventory, and payments, all managed in one place. Scalable, works for both small businesses and large enterprises. Great app ecosystem, thousands of apps to add features like reviews, live chat, and more. Beautiful themes, professionally designed and mobile friendly. Cons of Shopify: monthly fees starts at $39 or $19 or now $1 per month as of now, which can add up over time. Transaction fees, extra fees if you don't use Shopify payments. App costs, many powerful features require paid third party apps. Overall, Shopify is perfect for getting started fast, and but it's not the cheapest platform out there. But now starts at $1 per month. But first 3 months, and that's it. Shopify works simple, scalable, and perfect for turning your idea into a real online business. If this guide was helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and follow and hit the notification bell icon. Thanks for watching.